How to download and install Windows April 10, 2018 update. Method 1, join the Windows Insider program. Visit https://insider.windows.com/n-a/getting-started/number-register. Head over to Start Settings Update and Security Windows Insider Program. Click Get Started button and follow the on-screen wizards. Note, assure you enable Release Preview under what pace do you want to get new builds. And Just Fixes, Apps and Drivers option under what kind of content would you like to receive. Now, update your Windows. Method 2, download. Run the media creation tool at https://bit.ly/1kwzccq as the admin user. Method 3, try Windows 10 Upgrade Assistant tool at https://bit.ly/2jcvopo.